everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Basmati, owner and founder of Lip Candy. We make lipstick, lip gloss, and other lip products. And in this video, I'm creating my third and final lip gloss for darker skin tones. In my first video, I created this beautiful nude shade. Here it is. I just love it. And my second video, I did this really warm red tone. And I'm thinking for this video, I'm gonna create a really vibrant red. So if you wanna see me create it, sit back, relax, and let's get right into it. In this container, I have my oils pre-measured. So this is coconut oil and jojoba oil. And in this smaller container is my Versagel, my lip gloss base. And then to this, I will add vitamin E as well as my flavoring, which is a candy scent, and I'll do that off camera. So let's add the pigments. So to make my vibrant red color, I'm using two different pigments. This one is a darker sort of bluish red undertone, and it might be hard to see on camera. And this one is more sort of an orangey red. So let me add them to my oils and you can see what that looks like. So here are my pigments in the oil. I've got the two shades of red plus a little bit of white. I'm gonna mix it around to see if it's close to that vibrant red that I'm looking for. So I'm just gonna mix it around to see if it's that vibrant red that I'm looking for. And then once I get it to the shade that I want, I will put it in my 3-roller mill and mill down the pigments so that they're super fine, and then we can add it to my lip gloss base. So this is looking beautiful, and let's put it in the mill. So here's my 3-roller mill, and I have a Pyrex cup positioned at the bottom to catch the pigment that we're going to be putting in. So here we go. I am so happy the way this red turned out. This is the finished pigment all ground up from using a 3-roller mill. So now I'm going to add my Versagel to this. Beautiful, beautiful red. Now here is our lip gloss base. It's Versagel that we're using today. Let's give it a stir. So I start out slow, but it doesn't take much time at all to mix the Versagel into my oils and pigment. And once I do this, I will add in some vitamin E and my flavoring, which is a candy flavoring. So here it's coming together really beautifully, and we're almost there. It takes like literally less than a minute to mix this through. And we're making a small batch here. This is going to make 4 lip gloss tubes. So pretty. And there you have it, our beautiful, vibrant red lip gloss. So now all I have to do is put it into my lip gloss tubes. So let me show you how I do that. Since I'm only doing 4 tubes of gloss, I'm just taking my time to pour into each of the tubes. It looks like I'm going fast because I've sped up the video. You can certainly use a syringe here if you like as well. So here is my lip gloss filled in the tube. You have to leave a little bit of space at the top to account for the wand. When you put it in, it displaces the lip gloss, so you need to have the space at the top. So let's add in the cap. And now let's add in the lip gloss wand. There are a few air pockets, but they will go away once we put in the wand. So here we go. It's displacing the lip gloss, as you can see, pushing it to the top, and that is it. So there you have it, our final lip gloss in our 3-part series. I will swatch it for you. As promised, I'm gonna do a swatch on me. Here is the final lip gloss. It turned out absolutely beautiful, and I'm going to use what's left over from manufacturing and using my finger and a mirror. So here we go. And there you have it. It turned out to be a beautiful, vibrant red shade. It's super lightweight, not sticky at all, and it has a delicious sweet scent of candy. This color, I think, will look great on dark skin tones, but I also think it'll look good on lots of other skin tones. Red is just one of those universal colors that I think is so flattering. I still have to name this one, and I'm gonna put it on the website. And if you have any ideas on colors you'd like me to create at Lip Candy, please put them in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe and the notification bell so you know the next time I'm releasing another video. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.